Hey friends, if you wish to install the YouTube app on your PC and laptop, then please watch this video. Now, there is no YouTube app. Even if you search in the Microsoft Store, you won't find any YouTube app. Anyway, let us check first of all. And I couldn't find it online. So the only option that we have is to go to youtube.com. We don't need to sign in as such. Go to youtube.com on the Microsoft Edge browser, not any other browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select More Tools, select Apps, and click on Install YouTube, and then click on Install. Now, this will install YouTube as an application. You can also create a desktop shortcut. Now, you can open it directly through the desktop, or you can search for YouTube in the search bar and open YouTube. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.